Enjoy the view of this 2022 Honda CR-V. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.